Guys, alright, today's episode I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin filter on the Toyota Prius C, and it's a similar procedure for other Toyotas as like Yaris or Prius. You simply got to open the glove box, you got to take this thing off, squeeze those things together, pull this out, and then you have to gently pull this one part along with the other side. So you kind of have to pull this one first and then this one, and this just drops, and here's your cabin filter. You squeeze those two things together, pull it out, and then you gotta grab the filter. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. It's 100,000 miles. It's supposed to be changed every like 25 to 30,000 miles, or even more often, you know, depends if you got dogs or not. I'll show you what the new one looks like for compartment. Big difference, huh? So now just got to put it in. There's usually a sign, see, shows you up, and you simply put it in. And then put your rear cover back in place here, and then lock it in place. And then you take your glove box. There's like teeth over here, see, like those things that you put them right there, and then you gotta just push it in harder to clip it in, and then you just simply close it, and then don't forget to put your little strut right here, and that's it.